What's going on, everybody? Blockchain Crusader here, crusading through the blockchains every single day. Today, the market has been taking a bit of a dump, right? We've seen that the ETF outflows were negative yesterday on April 1st. We had a negative about 1,000 or 2,000 negative ETF flow outwards, meaning Grayscale dumped about 4,200 and BlackRock only bought up about 2,000 some change, and Fidelity about 600, still giving us a negative outflow of about 1,200, give or take. So that means Bitcoin more selling pressure than buying pressure, aka price go down. Right, we've seen this happen before in the past in March 21st and 22nd. If you look back on the chart for Bitcoin, ETF outflows were negative those days and the chart was down, red candles for those days as well. So does this mean it's time to panic? Is it time to sell? No, guys, nothing in the market is up to the right only. At some point you will have a retracement, right? The plan is, what do you do when that retracement happens? If you've been keeping cash reserves on the side to buy the opportunity to buy the dip, right? Not financial advice, not telling you guys what to buy, what not to buy, just saying you guys need to have a plan. These red days won't last forever. The bull market is here. Even if we go into a bearish month, right? This is just an opportunity in my personal eyes. That's my personal opinion, not giving you financial advice, not telling you to go buy anything, right? There's been projects that are doing very well. There's real world reserve assets. Very hot narrative. I believe that 100% it is the next narrative that's going to take over crypto for some time, right? AI is still going to do well. AI is still doing its thing. They got their merger. They're voting on it between today and the 6th, I think it is, for not Fidelity. What you call them, the Singularity Net, Fetch AI, and Ocean Protocol, right? That's happening here in this next couple of days. They're voting on whether they're going to merge or not. If they do or they don't, I'm not really caring about that right now. I'm really just focusing on real world assets and ecosystem tokens that are building DeFi corners, right? We've seen Aerodrome on base doing very well. Obviously the market, the altcoins are dumping, right? Everything's dumping. Well, one that's actually not dumping is Velodrome, not to be confused with Aerodrome. It is the same exact concept of DeFi and a DEX, but on Optimism's blockchain. And I've been telling you guys, if you guys have been watching me for any amount of time, that these cornerstone cryptos in these different ecosystems are very, very important. I love sticking into the DEXs and into the DeFi players. They basically are the biggest cornerstones in crypto. And when you identify these in these different blockchains that are coming up and they're growing, it's very beneficial, guys, right? Just how I'm very bullish on ODS swap for basically becoming the Uniswap, or could become the Uniswap of Bitcoin, the biggest DEX trading BRC20 token on Bitcoin's ecosystem. Very, very bullish in the short term and in the long term here for this bull market for sure. When it comes to Bitcoin dumping today, right, besides the ETF outflows, some positive news for Bitcoin is that Coinbase is seeing, reported by Crypto Quant, an analytic tool, that basically about 17,000 Bitcoin have been pulled off exchanges. Also, USDT Treasury, right? The Tether Treasury has bought up, I believe, 8,888 Bitcoin. They're printing more Tether, injecting more capital into Bitcoin, which is very, very positive, right? Even if we don't see a massive flux to the upside here in the short term, guys, in the long term, we are still only about 20 to 19 days away from the halving at this point. Very bullish. We have a long time left for this bull market. I know a lot of people have been talking about a shorted cycle here. I don't believe that, right? Anything's possible, but I do understand we've hit a new all-time high before that we've never seen before a halving. So people are a little bit shaking up about where the 4-year cycle stays or where it's not going. But overall, I think the cycle, worst case, 4-year cycle still sticks. We're just going to see more price volatility than we've seen before. Higher upside, not as much as downside as I believe a lot of people are expecting. A lot of people are expecting these 30-40% pullbacks that I don't think we might see this time, right? I think that the ETFs might have changed that up, and maybe we'll see 20% dumps here and there, but anything's possible, right? 30 or 40% is still to be expected. I'm just giving you my opinions. Another thing I want to talk about besides the real world assets, right, and all these DEXs that I've been talking about, is there's different real world assets. If you guys don't know how to find them, go to CoinMarketCap, hit the categories tab, search down to real world assets, and you can see all the different blockchains there that are building on real world assets. I'm not shilling anything, not affiliated with any of these projects, but just off the top of my head, Ando doing great things with BlackRock. You know, it is what it is. That's where the money's at. We got Proppy, we've got VeChain, we've got AVAX, tokenizing diamonds. We got reserve rights. We're not talking about the Constitution. We're talking about literally tokenization and creating new stable coins with these tokenized assets. So reserve rights is another one's doing really well. Obviously, maybe not today because the entire altcoin market is coming down along with Bitcoin. But I'm just saying in general, the real reserve asset class is going to be the next hot narrative here that I'm very, very bullish on. And obviously the DEXs on these different blockchains as well. And I know you guys have heard me talk about Bitcoin, obviously, a lot, all the time. But AVAX is what I wanted to talk about. I've been very bullish on AVAX for a long time. And I even made a video about AVAX versus Solana. And I picked AVAX as my pick for the simple fact that AVAX is nowhere near its all-time high. Solana is almost at its near all-time high, doing very well. And it's going to continue probably doing very well in this bull market. But Solana is mostly just driven up right now by meme coin frenzy. There's not anything else that I'm seeing that is being massively built on Solana. Maybe I'm wrong. If I am, drop it in the comments, hit that subscribe, hit that like, and let me know what else is happening on Solana. But all I'm seeing is meme coin this, meme coin that, and that's not a long-lasting foundational level to be on Solana, right? We have AVAX getting into crypto gaming. We know that. Getting into real-world assets, tokenizations of assets for banks as well. And the crypto gaming thing hasn't even popped off yet. Their subnet technology is great. This is why we're seeing so many different diverse sectors coming to AVAX. And obviously AVAX, it's got the meme coins, guys. It's got the meme coins. It's probably got the best meme coins out there. Cock-a-doodle-doo. If you know, you know. So long story short, don't panic. Just another red day. Have a plan. Know what you got to do. Whether you're buying the dip, whether you're holding off, whether you're looking for different projects, this is the time to doing research. This is not the time to be panicking. Guys, I'm Blockchain Crusader. Smash those likes, hit that subscribe if you haven't already. 70% of you guys are watching these videos are not subscribed, but I would greatly appreciate if you did. Blockchain Crusader signing out, crusading through these blockchains every single day. See ya.